Okay, how much was it? How much was it?
They gave it to me. They gave this. They were like, hey. I was like, okay, yeah. They gave it to me. No me costó
No,
nada.
they didn't.
No me costó nada.
So you're not gonna tell me how much was it?
Okay, they gave it to me.
I don't believe you.
Why?
How are they gonna give you something like that?
It,
Just tell me how much was it.
que yo no pagué nada. It's like
Tuviste que haber pagado cash porque en la tarjeta no sale.
it's like $30. Pagué like $30.
Cash.
Yeah, like $30. No.
You did not pay $30 for that.
Yeah, it's like 30.
Okay.